Today's video is about Cymbidium orchids. Yes, I grow a few, but not as much as I used to do. I am Winston in London. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, one of my orchids, I called it Golden Yellow Hybrid, is very much in bloom, and I'm very pleased with the outcome. This year, I've had a bad year. Do you understand me? Normally, I have lots in bloom. This time, only a few. The climate in England is suited to Cymbidium orchids. And as long as you follow the golden rule, using the high and low temperatures, you can always do well. With hundreds of succulents to grow and manage, it's sometimes very easy to neglect my Cymbidium orchids. I usually keep them in a corner at the side of my house and hopefully, expect them to do very well. It does not always work out that way. You're looking at some of the other blooms of the past year in photos. Hopefully I'll get them back on track, and pretty soon I'll be having a larger collection than I do now. This is one of the plants that I've left outdoors during the winter and received some damage. I have decided to repot it. Usually I try to remove as much roots from the plant as possible. Cymbidiums generally have lots of roots, and I know from experience, cut the roots away and soon you will have young, new roots growing. I usually put them in smaller sized pots for the initial growing, and once they are settled, then I can move them on to larger pots. As the weather warms up, I intend to do some more serious repotting, and therefore, hopefully, by the end of the year, I'll have a new generation of Cymbidiums all ready to take over and produce the kind of beautiful blooms which I love to see. Winston in London, thank you for watching.